Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Gusto easy tutorial step by step clearly. To log into Gusto, start by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in Gusto's website URL, which is gusto.com. Press the Enter key on your keyboard to go to the site. Once the home page loads, look for the Login button. This button is usually located in the upper right corner of the page. Click on the Login button to proceed. You will be redirected to the Login page. Here, you will see fields for your email and password. Enter your email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you wish, you can check the box to remember your login information. Once you have entered your credentials, click the Sign In button. If your information is correct, you will be taken to your Gusto dashboard. If you encounter an error, double-check your email and password for accuracy. If you've forgotten your password, click the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password via email. After successfully logging in, navigate through the dashboard to access your features. That's how you log in to Gusto. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.